What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and today we're talking about how to make a cordial. Now, depending on how you use the word cordial, it can mean a bunch of different things. It could be referring to an after dinner drink, or for the purposes of this particular video, we're going to be talking about a flavored syrup. Now, today we're going to be making a strawberry mandarin cordial, and I encourage you to play with this process. The cool thing about making cordials, or making anything for that matter, is it's a fun way to put your own signature twist on something. It's also cool, in my case, growing up in the Caribbean, working in the Caribbean, I found myself making a lot of things because it wasn't commercially available, be it a liqueur or a cordial. If you want to know how to make a liqueur, stay till the end of this video. We'll go ahead and link it in the description, and let's get started. Now, for a strawberry mandarin cordial, we're going to keep things really simple. We're going to try to use equal parts of everything, really basically batch recipeing or cordial. And the reason for that is when you're starting out with a new cordial, it's best to try it with the batch ingredients, and then you can tweak it depending on your own taste and your flavor that you're looking for as you're going along. Now, in this case, we're going to be using an equal amount of water, an equal amount of sugar, an equal amount of whatever the receptacle that we measure the water and the sugar in, of strawberries, same amount of juice that we're going to be using from our mandarin or tangerine. I'm sorry, I call them both. We're going to be using that interchangeably. And then, of course, the only thing that we're not going to be using an equal amount of is the zest that we're going to be taking from the mandarin. Now, before you get started, one thing you want to do, always make sure you wash your ingredients, in this case your strawberries, wash them, stem them, get them cut and cleaned up, ready to go, and then you're all set. Again, super simple. All we're going to do is take a pot and pour everything into the pot. The sugar, the juice, the water, the fruit, everything goes in the pot all at once, and you put the pot onto a medium to high heat. Give it a stir occasionally just to help the sugar dissolve, and then let it come to a boil. Let it boil for a little bit longer so that, one, the fruit gets softened, and then, of course, so that all the sugar is dissolved. And then finally, because you are making a syrup, go ahead and let it reduce down to your desired viscosity. As you may have seen in my how to make a simple syrup video, I always check it by using a spoon, dipping the spoon in the pot, pulling it out, cooling off the spoon a little bit, and then touching the back of the spoon with my finger to make sure that it's at the right viscosity or the right thickness. The cordial has gotten to the desired viscosity. You're going to go ahead and take it off the heat. At this point, you go ahead and mash the remaining fruit that's in there, at the same time allowing it to come down to room temperature. This way, all the fruit, all the juices come out. It really allows it to steep into the cordial and makes the overall mixture a lot more flavorful. And then once that's done, all you have to do is take your sieve, your funnel, and strain it into a bottle. Now, this could be a little bit of a labor-intensive process. If you are really looking to save time, you use our pressure infusion technique, which I'll link at the end of this video, showing you how to infuse spirits and other liquids with your desired flavor. But in the case of cordials, for example, if you take some simple syrup that you would have on hand, I'll put that video link at the end as well. Take this simple syrup and your dry ingredients. It works really well with dry ingredients in particular. Say cinnamon, for example. Add those ingredients to your cream whipper, and then you're good to go. And it cuts down half the time, and you have a cordial instantly, especially if you're just looking to try something out and you don't want to go through a laborious process. It's a quick and dirty way to just try it out and see if you like the taste and the feel of the whole thing. Now, if you're looking for products to upgrade your arsenal, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and take a look at what we have over there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you think they find it helpful. And last but not least, if there's something you'd like me to cover on this channel, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to get to it in the days and weeks ahead. Oh, sorry, not last but lastly, PPS. You can go ahead and click the link in the description below for our free ebook, the Barprints cheat sheet, that gives you a breakdown on some of the fundamentals of cocktail making, as well as some advanced techniques that will help you along your way. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.